Immortal way or la reverse me. They hear me so your motto do it a reverse. Now you the advance people. You the advance people now. Maybe they economize with man. Now they listen to advice. Listen to advice.
This boy better say get money. We use and take train our children because even when our first husband don't feel abandon for us, we look for another man who wanted to. Not be say he not go to spend the bet. Learn how to economize with the man. Let the man know say you are a woman that will plan with the man. Not just to take bring. Who see and I go say maybe I marry my husband because the guy he get money or maybe they spend for
Shut up, you not marry and say because of you marry. I tell you to make you marry and one. You feel say na celebrate with the bam. That I did with this woman. This woman they spend money. Can't they say me ya go? Everybody don't know a celebrity. I want friend celebrity. You don't know say oh but no the family reject it. No you be thinking that a regime or not Canadian. A regime where or you careful or me careful there. Mama Kevi, your regime and this idiot to win here. Et then again, a regime where everybody am careful with social media to show say umususu to bo with him. Umususu. A regime where I am your wa. Ye Kevi tama we having na your regime where. A regime where I am your wa. O wa no ye saga is a saga na wuyo. A regime where I am your wa ni. Your regime. I have you soon regime where. A regime where Oya who have a presenter lily my origin. Uba we regime but I give me no sense that be. Uba we regime ifune, I no sense na Uba wa give me your regime okay kwa. Listen.
I'm married because of that. I'm married because I love her. Because of love.
Love.
Okay. Me say by the work.
You use them the work. That make us say
maybe you date.
That make us say every month the way they collect money now almost what they come.
We will not today in a hurry of doing this. Understand? We will not today in a hurry because many men when they come our life as us will be single women. Sometimes they come monitor you. Know this kind of woman when you be. If a woman Naya met you know, and I met in they will die to know. Let me use myself to make an example. The first day I met my husband, which all of you know, he came to my house not because of the first time I met was Donna calling me video call.
Yeah, he say almost will come here for the first time. Say almost will never know him. Who can give an address? Almost will not fit come your house. I never call for video call. You never see your pekus for video call. See, you never first play love for video call. You will come show pekus all those things to confirm. Say you dey game. Almost will me know. Now you want to defend almost will not say almost will come my house. Almost will never even know him. Where almost will come my house. Now the evidence tells you, if they tell you what now say almost will come my house. Almost will never even know him. You know say social media now where for the lie where for the brainwash people. Now who get brain will know say social media not now fake life not many parts of social media. I'm telling you the truth. Look the kind of lie where this get the lie now. This if they didn't get the lie. See a muzzle. You might listen to this lie where.
Which all of you know. He came to my house not because because of the first time I met was Donna calling me video call.
They say now, so
that just for him to know.
Yes, now the boy don't get document. I the woman get document. The woman get account.
Immediately know me, man. I don't like him.
Yeah, say the day
I was so panicked because when her Baba was
the day the boy you see that the boy you like.
I want to see face to face. My heart because for me the way I say for Facebook, I say I saw himself be for grant.
Yeah.
Whereas not be so it be. Yeah. People when they won't talk, if I scratch you, I go do this one. Who not see I'm not going to do anything. I guarantee you now.
You not do anything.
Because it's another person entirely. Not be saying where I feel but you know where air go out. If you do anyhow, you collect anyhow.
For instance,
but we maybe so immediately Olamoto, you don't drive the Adewa. Before you say my beautiful children, before you ask, where are their father? Where is their father? Area no area. How manage? How can the mother leave these beautiful children like this?
Area what?
So before
everybody power tap, let's go. Everybody power tap, let's go.
We dance. One Asoke Nejo, we dance, we do everything. So from there, they ask me whether I get man. See. I say I don't get. Or I say I get, I don't get.
My people, wait. All these people
so I don't want to go to details. Okay?
Wait. I want to hear it. In don't reach your house before you ask whether you get man. When they listen to this man's story, whether it clear. He say Omozo don't reach your house before Omozo they ask him whether he get husband. Omozo we make a know before whether kawa buari wa. Omozo why are we wearing? Omozo we make a call kuna before when I buari wa ya know whether he get husband. That no say no they brainwash people for social media. Even we tell the story now man, I man we oh see this my the talk. Oh God bo when I worry. Not the listing. Oh God boy.
I say I don't get. Or I say I get, I don't get.
You can say I get, I don't get.
So I don't want to go to details, okay?
I don't get that area where you can say I get, I don't get. We talk this area where.
Get. Or I say I say. I say I don't get. Or I say I get,
with this area. I did interested in this area.
Yeah. How far? How manage? How can the mother leave these beautiful children like this? I said, no, so. So before that day, I cook, we dance. One Asoke Nejo, we dance, we do everything. So from there, he asked me whether I get man. See. I said I don't get. Or I say I get, I don't get. You understand? So I don't want to go to details.
Okay? You don't want to go to details. You can be.
So now so immediately when I say I dey single.
You don't want to go details. You don't want to go details. What you tell her for there? Tell us. You say you get, you not get. You not tell her the way you take deport your Papa Kevin. You not tell her the way you take deport Papa Kevin. You get, you not get. There's the laugh.
Or I say I get, I not get. You understand? So I don't want to go to details, okay, of that one. So now so immediately when I say I dey single, they watch me the way I dey do. And me, my own was that because being in a person I don't love for years. 2016 I started to follow him. I take her like my, from far distance. I take her like my may I say my son. I take her like my. I don't say I don't feel.
For far distance, you take her like your son. People are not hearing me. I beg, I don't know whether my people still there. Please, if you know you are still here, say 002. Say 002 for life. If you know you are still watching, say 002 for life. Now they say analysis. If you know you are still watching, say 002 for life. Make I know that my people still there. The man tell me, I hear my song. If you know you are still watching, say 002 for life. Ogon Bazia. If you know you are still watching me, say 002 for life. Any other 002 in a dosaba space is counterfeit. I'm also listening. Please, simple ABC, I see you. Say 002 everlasting. God go bless you. Mrs. Sandy say 002 for life. Please, if you know you are still watching me, say 002 for life. One at the right time, make they cry. I want to see tears for their eye. I want to see tears for their eye. Please, if you know you are still watching, say 002 for life. 002 for life. Osas, I see you. Amen. Imade 002 for life. God will bless you. Mommy 2D. I remember mommy 2D. I remember mommy 3D. Mommy 2D. Now you will know. We don't know mommy 3D. Mommy 2D. Now you will know. Now you will know. Laura Williams. O2 for life. Now God will bless you now. My people, wanna listen to this area where again. Wanna listen to this area where. You say 002 for BB for life. You shall call me BB again. I did do BB, eh? You may with BB, Larry. You may with BB, I get BB, Larry. Wanna listen to this area where I hear my son. He said, in the look the boy like his son. This area I want to show that, I want to play again now. He said, they look the boy like his son. Imagine person way they look like your son. Una you ain't no go away. Get Kevi. Efa gala we gala gbe. U kyo gagbo. We kyo gagbo. When we agbo punawa. Get Kevi ma forgive you, yet forgive you. When we agbo punawa, u kyo gala gbe. When we agbo punawa ye Kevi, u kyo gala gbe. When we are threatening Opuna with a nakedness of it. When we are threatening Opuna, who cure Alawagbe? My people wanna listen to this area. My son, I hear my son.
The way they do. I mean, my own was that because being in a person I don't love for years. 2016, I started to follow him. I take her like from far distance. I take her like my. May I say my son? I take her like my. I don't say I don't feel born person like her because it's too big for me to born. But if you know, say if you follow man, you go take the man like your son. The way you take your son, now you go take your son.
Why you not take her like your father? You know, you say you take her like my father because you don't have love for your father. If you get love, you say I take her like my father. Not be your son because you know you still senior this boy. I'm also there 43, I be 40 something. You there 58 now, you are going to 58. So not be now true they talk now your son. The age where it is senior is bigger. Is bigger. Yata is bigger. Age where it is senior is bigger. Is bigger. Hello? SG, hello? Hello?
It will not change under my watch.
Hello? Hello? Are you hearing me? Arrivai. Hello? Yanwa. I'm also looking at SG. 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 Ah. SG. Mogo.
I say my son. I take her like my. I don't say I don't feel born person like her because the age too big for me to born. But you know, if you follow man, you go take the man like your son. The way you take your son, now you go take your husband, either you like it or not. Unless you don't love that man. If you love your husband, you have to take your husband the way you take yourself, the way you take your children. So yeah. Pray for all those bad books when they collect for Jamie that time. If I tell you, say I don't almost go hospital because of her.
Hospital.
I almost get heart attack.
Hospital. Where?
Because
Desire
if you come for us, you never enter as a Lesotho. That was just like motherly love from afar to me.
Thank you, Desire.
Because for my life, it was very where it was time where I can never date a man. But for me now, you read the email.
Yeah, Kevin, he did that boy. He said for her life, she swear, say, you know, if he marry man, we ain't senior. What you can easy desire omo. I bet me at this woman say, what you can easy. Wait till come make her now. Come fall in love with small picking, boy, we ain't senior well. Desire, no, ever you can easy, or ye kevi, you say you swear, say you know if you marry, picking where you senior. Why you can't go put small boy for his ass? No, who do you small boy in the one? Yare boy, not that way, boy. Today, don't talk to an old man. Desire, no, desire, you are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. What are they listening?
My far. To me.
Thank you, Desire.
Because for my life, it was Vemboy where it was time, my Vemboy, one time where I can never date a man in
Oh.
But for me now, you read the email because I don't. For me, it's my husband, is my senior now. See what time we dated. So I was not even having that interest of maybe my way or anything and so. What I just wanted for him to no seek make an access. Yeah, go. Maybe if it's going wrong or maybe no. Many
Somebody say W access. No make go. It's like a depression got over. A depression. Somebody say W access. W access. Or we don't make an army access. Access of that boy. W for access. No army access. No army access. Uso ami ene o yo wa de o me mi we ape gugwa. Obu were there. Obu were there. Don't worry.
So I was not even having that interest of maybe my way or anything and so. What I just wanted for him to no seek make an access. Yeah, go.
Okay.
Maybe if it's going wrong or maybe no. Many videos, or a video for need to record the game, Papa. Domo or talk me. Juliet at maybe to explain it. We have one do me and check. The team I will tell you now. Play voice live video. That was what I was saying. I play voice live video. La, I bet me a family man. This that who Baba play voice play. My way if now when
when the new start. He say he could beg or Moses say, you know what I mean? Yeah, a voice for video. If family no will like how may they hide the doan, kusi. Ni awe na babu wa buji ya. Buji kwango wa na ya kwango egene de. All of them will do buji that year. If you know say you do buji, say hi. I don't know that's what people do buji for you. Please, if you know say you day here, you do buji that year. Say I don't say you knack Imagu knack. I don't talk only buji. Because for my own buji, me chop because we 20 flower. Our muela 20 flower buji. Akaramo. Buji. I don't know about now. Me, you get one flower. Why they go to do my buji? So now the girl the friend go that area. Now the girl who teach me say this area hard. I mean, who they're those children. They get sense, eh? Now she feel they don't go that area. Me I told her day you want we flower. My father we buji buji. Yeah, Kevin, when do I buji? I beg. I never see buji. If you know say you do buji, say hi for comment section. It's so. If you know say you do buji, say hi for comment section. May I see my fellow students? Well, see. Oh more, I see you, sweetheart. F friend. Where we buji? Mary J. Where we buji? You can't see me they do buji. Oh, how LA? The social media. No, how LA? Laura Williams. Where we buji? Almost if I don't believe you come at inside. And away and work away, Larry. Oh, and work away. You want to care with buji, but I'm work. Larry. You want to care with buji. They go solve it, do their buji. You go carry belle for say you. Larry. Eh? Buji carry belle. What here? Buji carry belle. That one say he carry belle for you, buji. Me not give you my belly for my own. I swear, daddy. Expensive. We have mweko. Expensive. They still give you belly for boji. You too overdo your own. Boji what they do. Get the what they do as small. You get the what they do and code. You go carry belly for your own. You open your leg finish. They something they give picorina. You know they call picorina. Picorina that they give. If you date Italy people know they call picorina. A picorina have to go where you reach your you open leg. Wow. Oh, Settie. Larry. You open leg. Wow. You are crying say you carry belly. Where? You are crying. Everybody do their body and task. Many women they wash me now. Their own body was passing. When I'm where? When I'm where? Say Queen say body doggy. That be pickle now. Because I'm making a love, you see. You go flower. Or you go, you know, say darkness. You already did darkness. So they owe anything. This girl like that for graph for boji, or must Settie like that for grand, I must Settie. We one of you talk boji. Must Settie. We one of you talk. E cannot wa de we beze. Where is so where do wa mi o? Where do wa mi o? Must Settie. You are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. Queen say na doggy boji that they see. Doggy die. I'm not get doggy at here again. I think go beyond this abigo. Why are we get connecting yandi? It my way man. When I listen to this one, he saying in the beg from commerce will say I beg. You know what make yourself with the do you know what make man for social media coded. Listen with it coded course.
That was what I was saying. I pray voice maybe live video la. I was saying a family man. Mais je l'ai cassé, mais je dois expliquer. Il y a un check. The thing I will tell you, I play voice maybe live video. That was what I was saying. I play voice maybe live video. I was saying, a family man, this, that, Baba, play voice. I play the man where, if I win the Baba, if I Baba cannot go later, I did not see me like the live video. If you wish, I am now.
That's what you know, say now you did so.
All those messages I send again, all of them, you message go over click, everywhere say, everywhere kada, everywhere I understand, I hear you, what them, understand. So I will even worry. Guys, you are winner. If you don't get winner, if you don't get drive, everything about him.
Yeah. I will hold that confess. She's confessing.
I was having that deep love of a son, of my own, of my
son.
brother, let's go Italy.
You give her go nowhere. You will have a deep love of his son. Listen, when I hear of his son.
I was having that deep love of a son, of my own, of my brother, let's go Italy with Guaya Kimito.
See, I beg, I don't know where you for the wash me. Pray away now will pray. Not let no senior sister zoa like this. So this one senior sister no zoa now. This one senior sister no zoa now. You know my people. Pray. Say make your senior sister not be your zoa like this for your life. Senior sister or more do you know one you know. Somebody say the day love. Treasure. Not let her hear. The day love. Treasure what brother. Not let her hear. Pray, say, may your senior sister not zoe like this. This one, our senior sister, 33 years. You never go Africa. 33 years in Europe. All do have Ikea. All via Ikea. All zoe Ikea. No zoe Ikea. Ikea the twin or way. Now they listen.
My own, of my brother, let's go Italy with Guaya Kimito.
Italy with Guaya Kimito.
Guys, who touched this person? Who touched me?
Guaya Kimito.
That's anything that affects me.
Guaya that boy. Guaya Kimito.
It was a refa. My, so my way, you got me problem in there. So, Immediately
Everybody power tap your screen. Everybody power tap. Let's go. Everybody power tap your screen.
Instantly, now lose almost 2
everybody.
kilo. Oh, now we are baby over. Papa.
Wow, now listen to please. Everybody power tap. Everybody, if you know you are watching, power tap your screen. Take this screen to 30. 30 like. When I take the like, go 30,000. I bet me if not drop us. Please, everybody power tap. I don't know how they enjoy the story. Those one will still get gift. When I see they send us, now God will bless you now. Or I see. So that more they enjoy and they go. When I see people, no do more for a webo. People, no do more for a webo. Not the listing.
Itoka. Why? Who touched this person? Who touched me? There is anything that affects me. Understand? Which he never knew. Or it was a farmer, so my way he got a problem in there. So immediately we me go out Italy when I'm in Italy. True to God, now lose it. At this time, now lose almost 2 kilo. Oh, now we are baby over. I'm back. You know how you go to. And when I was walking, when I was watching the you go ya neru.
When lagba. You see, go carry when come and leg back. He never used to pray for any of your children one day. He never used to pray, make God carry go Nigeria, make go see family. He never pray with that when because they carry the when they pray for 1 year boy. Now my bug. No, Baba. Egumere kare duku no wa. Ibieli hu Baba. Eglomo hu ngezua. Baba imegbe. Eglomo no regbe mazua. Gini ya Baba. Fonsi veni vegeme. Ikesi yama na TV ta. Ibe gu every time ya nulao. Abi fonsi ni veme na. Isolu won diore. Egu won dio mu yari ya. Eso vero ya audio vegbe. But ya no audio. Baba ege no riari amonya bo. Amo dio ya. Ege no riari ya wa Baba ni Baba. Nulao. Mena ya mboku nari ya nu wala. Baba asuma hia. Amonari ya ne. Baba amonari ya ne. Baba na magi no hiu. Baba ne Baba. Iwani bu wa gebe ma ya mo ten audio. Isore we bosiri Nigeria. Baba ege pe amoyari ya, ege omoyari ya. Asu ya hia me no kian so de Baba ne Baba. Asu ya hia. Ni mano we na hima mi ni mano we wo na wu. Ude ikia we agwa lo kian viere. Ikia na we agwa lo kian te wi abi mini ni kia. Mane wu at the journey of no return. I beg before we continue, muna RIP for this woman. I beg. Say rest in peace because na woman like una. Ikia ti agwa lo kian. Omagi omaniya ni ebu na undano. I beg, if you know, so you get sympathy for this woman, wanna write rest in peace or I beg. Anywhere she did, may her soul continue to rest in peace. May her soul continue to rest in peace. In nakedness of yagbe, you know I said the nakedness of the mozo, on a go no mozo ga no with omana lawa. Yeah, I'm nakedness of the ladian. Mozo na send the gear. Oh, the prince. Mozo said the nakedness in the ladian. Mozo I'm nakedness very well more ladian. That's why I call it the camera, but you might call they get BP. Call they get BP. In yagbo na. And nakedness blackmail. I don't know where she's there now. She's watching all of us. May her soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Mama Kevin and that boy. Yeah, big guy now. The day with this woman back and the 12 the night happy pass. The 12 they come out for social media. They call they happy. This is life. What are they listening? This is confession. What are they listening?
Neru saloba wala. Wagi agbemewa. Ya wagi neru. No if you go to it, I will pray.
My little netiu there. My little ne boy.
All live video where I'm going out. I want to tell where you are going out. Baba, ya agbeme. Baba lagi agbeme. Baba lagi otolemo. Iya wonu e ma veri wa baba la wa go megba. Neru. Listen, I'm saying I'm not joking no. Na you're 12 o'clock if I saw don't even know that there was something to Salobanga. No, that feeling. I really don't. I can't really explain it.
Shut up, we no leru se. Oye mo kala der social media. We no leru se. Oye o, aye mi o wa. Eru wera na, eru love wera na. No make na bu ya de. Oni eru love wera na. We man dey we progress in na go man. Not from glory to aya. You were praying for your personal gain. Maybe for see person you go dey lick your pekus every time. Man, you picture well, when picture of boy, the view edge, I'm well at the bow here. No picture will be see the crack with your picture like the banner. Oh, go here. And my wife, they would beg me, see, man, they carry your picking come out. You know, my wife would beg me. Yeah, I'm with the picture like that. Who here? Look at what you are saying. Look at what you are saying. Are you not ashamed? This video, your great people will come see all of them. You did pray for them. If you were not in Nigeria, not block it. Umari when you pray, no ni. If you were not in Nigeria, not block it. You don't use your breath to pray for that picking like one man. A 20 Nigeria, Umari when you like pray niya. Na pray ni boy na. I'm making a boy a day. Because all the prayer you pray, o wa not so far be, but ami owa. Oko mi owa, mighty gwam na gwana is ozo. No action. Na azo of social media. No action. Woman collect 4 hours. No action till today. All you fun, I will saga you. I knock my mic 31 days. You go talk tire, you go explain tire. You hear me? So you go talk tire, you go explain. No evidence. The woman don't, the ass, I won't say they said the ass. Where was Azo? I won't say don't say the ass. Maybe where was Azo? Oh, where am I making you sure the devil build a path the way you fed build? You never know. Where was Azo? The mumu there. You can be a low because ni gogi. You go on the gogi back. What va gogi a webo? I went to a rewebo. You wire me top wagbo. What having a webo? Went to a rewebo. Musician in my go wagwan. What bring musician down? Bring people down. Data still game musician. Never bring data musician down one day. Una never bring Yoruba musician down one day. Na Benin musician. Why? Wa me musician we gboto there. Only Benin musician. E wa mu gboto. Ye Kevi. Unwo ya mu enuma me. Ye Kevi. Obo mana wa mozo bo awa we. Unwo ya mu enuma wa. Na dey listen.
There was something to Sanobaga. No, that feeling. I really don't. I can't really explain it anyway. So in Neru. So anyway.
Things they happen. Things they happen. Everybody continue to power tap, guys. Everybody continue to power tap. Things they happen. If you're a boy, or that heavy. Things they happen, my people. If you're a boy. They cry. All these videos are to make that boy for say love her. Who Didi cannot born again. Boy, we define Europe again. Boy, we define Europe for 15 years. For
the one day, I went to the Ronaldo. See, be where you want to come on, so if I make a record the Benin national item, and now enough forward the video, enough forward the game. So yeah, so if I wanted that video gear or not that video, so that was the day near that is why we know I go on with social media because I really don't want to mention anybody's name. You understand? So the video now. So when you got social media, social media that very day. So and I said, "Why watch the video? Mama send it. Mama where these big children try all this. Mama care. Mama care, but I did not stop." And then I no gay, and then say we, Baba no gay. I didn't no gay. Me love for work there. Oh wait, man. I too go love you. You know gay. So investor, I too go love you. Even though you hate me, I don't hate you, my brother. I love you from afar. Even though you don't like me.
Anyway, I love you. Una be no give marry ne. Uba ya te no give marry. Love you ga no give. Uba wa so gozo na. We ga gwali no sigo we present here. Gwali no sigo here we love you ne. O wa me love ni ya here. The time we love ni the prison na love bijwe re. The time we love ni the prison. Don't get. I still get love. How do I tell you, Malaki? You know, get wa gbeo. Oh, I love it. No gbeo. I love it. Love almost. Salwa.
And then no gay, and then say we, Baba no gay. I didn't no gay. Me love work be. Oh waiting. I too go love you. You know gay. So investor, I too go love you. Even though you hate me, I don't hate you, my brother. I love you from afar. Even though you don't like me. So then investor no get show no je na mo epo yeke na show that day. Ila lo do to me. Wo do vete wa kan fo. Na we agbe me wa. Na we agbe me wa. Na we. Na make no je ne.
Mariera.
Arrive wona. Arrive bona. Ina me record the jege, papa. Yo, salupa. Why change your wa? If me can I record the jege, reply me. Reply boy, da me no do never reply. No me when you try. The only thing no tap pass in the one where thank you my beautiful lady. Basta. Or one more one thing you na set for. As only the sooner the have boy no car room or that one room presenter no ha Jenny. Zona the sooner the boy ni na so na do me again na get or two no na to care you know where all those things. So now we to record the again if they happy with me but you have to be very careful but that the way my boss in the way that but every say understand. So do you tie the bed okay. So me now me where we my house if you go by it. I'm not supporting what I said or anything with him. But all I was just doing was without even know what he's going to talk about.
Everybody power tap, let's go.
Also,
Everybody power tap, let's go.
So the guy,
everybody power tap, let's go. Man, wait.
So to that day of his birthday. So people may work with music or every year. Why guys, I introduce it or how we give it. Wait, Baba, I call you. Go back, Mama. He got no Italy. Give me money to go away. Whatever, I don't need your money. When you are introduce you, every time you win. So in one day. We no busy. When I want to have 20,000 naira, we can only give me Nigeria, which he never did. But still owing me 20.
Now here with it though, he say in win game, he cause me go give a picky for Nigeria. Till now 20,000, almost no go give a picky for Nigeria. Now the year so the thing they are mad. He say that I never block a picking oh. That he picking within Nigeria while they tell us he never block at that time. He said that time, as him with that 20k, he could tell Mozo say, give my picking for us. Till now, Mozo never give that picking the 20,000. But Mozo will not come out and say, he did take us single mother picking. He did this one. He did who they take us single mother picking or they man to the talk. Every guan, we are no SF guan. They do pepe de gun, say they take us single mother picking. 20,000, you can do far, although far away, no? He say you think today, you never give, listen to the, me not decide the lie, listen well. Listen, me not listen to me, they talk on.
Why guys, I introduce it, or can we give it? Wait, Baba, I call you, what become a way? He got no Italy, give me money to go away. Whatever, I don't need your money, when you are introduce you, even time you win. So one day, we no busy. I busy. But now when we had 20,000 naira, we can only give me Nigeria, which he never did.
Which he never did.
You are still owing me 20,000 naira.
Which he never did.
The last birthday, no okay.
Please, can somebody write it there? Which he never did. Please write that in there. Which he never did. Now very big language. Now the only language, English, where this man don't speak, we enter my head. Which he never did. Please, who will feel right on there? Since I know this woman, the only language we don't speak for English will give me joy. Which he never did. Naira, must have destiny. Which he never did. I'm out English in the JKV. JKV, why you learn English in the here? Which he never did. JKV, you are not hearing me. I'm out Ebony. How do you speak that English? Which he never did. Thank you, Laura. I'm not listening well. Where people will hear your story.
And 20,000 naira me, you know, we can only give me in Nigeria, which she never did. You are still owing me 20,000 naira. So, the last birthday, no cake now, last birthday, it can never be your last birthday, my lovely husband. So, the birthday no last year. So, big way, this is from Victor, and Kevin Abado, Kakabora, go, okay. Yeah, you can't why I so just like that to know why I record the again. That record I did not even think after yeah, we record the again is one of those ones and they can reply me selfie. No way I wanna. Kevin was very sick that day. That boy was sick. Me February.
Madiera.
That is the manager. You 67 years, I was 7 years. Why me I beg Baba with this, I beg Baba. No, okay, no problem. Okay, that audio not to introduce the again, not to forward the again.
Now the year what he talk for Benin. He say he use the pikin say trap. Make the pikin still sing music through that all those top almost or snaps where they talk. He say pikin no wear. Pikin get fabric. But he don't know how it force the pikin can still do one. They hear me so. Do you know that period? This Omozo go carry that pikin, open page for her. Because of say new legend, I be get it call a new young artist, I be young star. Get it Omozo come open page for the boy. The boy can get page because they promote the boy. What happen? We be see Omozo page. They don't use track finish the page. They not can get page when money they pay again. What they want to do? They can go face that boy page with the open for him. And the VAR say they don't use that boy page, they do saga. But after I don't destroy almost a page finish, you not gonna get better page where they bring money, you can go face that small boy page. Because they use that boy page, they do saga. The boy where they say they want to promote, now that boy, they go choking out from one place now. That boy is nowhere to be found. That boy, if I'm telling you now, that boy not get with a copy, I must say pay. That's not recently because you open one for her now. They use cartoon to the promoter for her. Because of people don't they laugh there. Say, if we move wait on a beauty on a picking. When I use a continue to saga. Later, the page, they destroy the page. The page never there again. Now they hear me so that page where that boy where they want to promote that boy, they use until they do saga because of hungry. One is a beer. And they tell a life story. If in the watch me now, he knows not try to talk. Today, here's the page. Don't go. Where's the boy? They are not promoting the boy anymore. Nobody seen the boy again. And at the boy, when this man they fell love that time, they push the boy for front. After this man don't see love now, that boy, they don't go shocking now. And they see waiting. See the boy not get father. The woman deport the boy father. May I show you the boy father? The woman deport the boy father. See the man. And the man at the sisu, see the pikin. And the man at the sisu, now the pikin be this one. Now the car where they use to carry the boy, where mama came they drive every time. And the car be this. See ring for this man when they do marriage. They do common marriage. If you see ring where they circle for this man, you see they do common marriage. Before man they put this kind of ring for hand, you know see they redo marriage. Now they say also better marriage. This is not the man. This is not the one picking with the man upon. The rest two are different fathers. This one, now they call Papa Kevin, now Igbo man. They deport this man go Nigeria. They use the man car till they enjoy for Europe today. The house where they did so today, and this man carry the house. A very interesting story where basically go touch one person. Just that people don't want to power tap. Please, I don't know. Don't stop to power tap. Please, don't stop to power tap. I know say my enemy many years where. But the one where they follow me, na many pass. My enemy where they here, una many where una will shame. Because I know they like truth. The real people where they with me, you know the power tap for me. My real fans, I will continue to expose these people. By Dan, this is Papa Kevin. This is Kevin when Kevin were young. This is the Igbo man. Today, this man be deported to Nigeria. Mama Kevin not the care. They will find her. Carry that. You not pray for this man. You not use breast. They pray for this man. They not deport her. You not use breast. They pray for this man. Maybe this man will come back. If you really now you abandon this one for us. You can't use your breast. They lagba. Till they pray for one boy with no get sense. When they see what they happen, oh. But they see this one not be young guy. He even senior this man. If you look this guy, well, you know something. He even senior this guy. But this guy, if he try, give the woman belly. But almost will not give this woman belly. At the age of 50, this man still give the woman belly. Because if you look at the last man, I'm not sure that was only 7 years. This woman still tear and belly. But almost will span na water. You know if he produce. Na water span. Because kind way they drink. Don't spoil all his sperm. You know if they drink a kind for January to December, may your sperm still be okay. It can never be okay. It will be water sperm. And people now they listening, please, if you know you are still here, say hi. If you know you are still here with me, say hi. Please, if you know you are still here with me, say hi. I don't see. If you know you are still here with me, let's go. Say hi. Why they see you now? Yeah, God will bless you now. Please, you push continue to power tap for me. Now go enjoy the story. Man, I know we'll shout out something they tell now the story. When they enjoy and they go. Now they see the way people be for life.
Guys, the manager of your house. You mean 67 years? I mean, West Area. What is me? I beg you, Baba. Where this? I beg you, Baba. No, okay, no problem. I'm going to pay that audio, not to introduce the again, not to forward the again. I came in with one name where or reply. What my reply? What the next thing you want me where? Wow, this little boy make my day. I'm not going to be. Now what? Give me no reply. What I know.
My people, when I see the marriage picture, see their marriage picture. Now they show na made it clear. This na the man why they show na just stand. That's why they call Papa Kevin. This na where 12 they marry. This also they marry for common. This one are sure. This one are evidence. If I they do my video, they done with evidence. Now maybe the first person will carry this picture come out. Now I make Mama Kevin not feel forgive me thing back. Mama Kevin, I forgive me what you I was the first person that brought this picture out. When I say away, this is the picture where this Martin married this girl. For marriage, see them. Never born that time. Look at. Never born for her. What they do, the man says he does see better wife. See now DJ Wisdom wife be this. Who tell you that one? Who should be DJ Wisdom wife? Who tell you now DJ Wisdom wife? They see Mama Kevin, say now DJ Wisdom wife. Please, if you know say now Mama Kevin I be this, say yes for comment section. If you know say you confirm say now Mama Kevin wife be this, say yes for comment section. If you know say now Mama Kevin be this, say yes for comment section. They listen to them, they see people we know her. If you know say now Mama Kevin picture be this, say yes for comment section. And God will bless you. This is not the picture where they do marriage. This woman never carry breast one day. They pray for this man. The day where this man see this woman, I see better woman, you know, it's an enemy. Now you see. There are some wife will be enemy to you. You know, it's an enemy. See. As you see this man, as you see this woman, now they deport this man. This man don't do you for many years. They never deport her. But all the time, we deal with this woman, now they deport her. Today, Frank almost will deal with this woman. They collect the ass. Many temptation. The boy carry black man for social media. The boy don't do so many useless things. This is what you know this woman. You know if you know this woman, make your life better. Because this one, the destiny of I live in Nigeria. Never war. Forget all this fake life they live for now. They just spoil this one. Look at this is the man married. Today, you will live on Muslim, make it they talk to big ass. You will live on Muslim, make they do nonsense. Because you don't have say. A Muslim will open mouth, they insult big ass. They mock big ass for people. Who to tell see your life. Now this one, almost will say, I be wife. With the happy and say, I don't marry. See my wife. This, well, see the man will marry the woman. And this one, almost will they say, my wife. Boy, we call Europe, never feel born Europe picking. Boy, we call Europe, never feel give one woman belly for more than 15 years. We don't do Europe. Never feel give one woman belly. You go start woman with don't born 4 children. She's not 50-something years old. And you go start life with. One of the listing.
Adegani okuno ko waroto ekwe juli lodon yeah, I want to know this boy. Understand? I want to know this boy. I will open page
this
for
one,
him. I will grow page for
shut up, man. They tell you by people. You see this woman, so my mama be this one. Now their ass be this one. Where mama for grow. Now here they for born this woman with the torso. This ass woman they see so now they for born this woman. My mama be this. See the ass. You know if you maintain the ass after 33 years in abroad. She not fit maintain this ass. Oh, what the leg be tenant after 33 years in abroad. And she's the senior daughter. Now see mama. My mama be this one. See the family ass. This woman, where they use breast, they pray for ma for abroad. You know if you use breast, may God bless her, make you renovate papa house. These are what some women they pass through for abroad. Some women, they don't know what they are doing. If you did this kind of condition, think twice. We are doing this, not say, and they do it to create awareness to help so many women. We be see the 4 victims. This is a trap. We forgive their family for us. We didn't know if one year boy for abroad. Or 1 year ma for abroad. I know someone are not married. But for you to forget your family, forget what you supposed to do. Come face one man for abroad. So now one mark on they give you problem. Or now one mark on they give you happiness. Or now one mark on they make. Look, this is a family house. With this girl for grow. Today, he has the 4. See mama grave. If they show you mama grave, you go holla. This woman abandoned everything. Because of Bola. So I believe say with this one, many people they wise. Many people will know one wise. You are your own. Not wise. They follow social media. They feel say, oh, I go and say. I just they laugh. Mama, they listening. Let's go. This now woman where they talk, they pray with breast for man we know where. See family us. Or a family for us, no one she they call. She abandoned all of them. Oh, they listening.
I want to know this boy. Understand? I want to know this boy. I will open page for him. I will grow page for him. This is that. Natalie Yamani. So after 2 days, if I'm not mistaken, or 1 week, he called me. What call him? My people. Or he called me. When he called me, as I see her, because I write a number with my phone, I saw him Baba with the smile. Just write him Baba with the smile. 1. Because 1 or 2, yeah, just story. Baba, the either pick call, I was in a shake. One arm, you Baba, yeah, go. For me, it was just somebody like, yeah, go, you are my phone. Hello, usually, Baba with the smile said, the voice in the one where I was not expecting that voice.
Ovidigwe, wa mi ovidigwe, upa ya ovidigwe. Ovidigwe agwa, ovidigwe no. Calling na gore na. Upa ya ovidigwe. Ovidigwe, very easy to know. Yema do who na wise, ya kimwela webo. I feel sorry for our parents. They don't let this woman wise before they can come abroad. And the situation will the pass through with this. Ovidigwe is not good in the community. This thing.
Baba with the smile. Just write down Baba with the smile. 1. Because 1 or 2, yeah, just story. Baba, the either pick call, I was in a shake. 1 arm, you Baba, yeah, go. For me, it was just somebody like, yeah, go, you are my phone. Hello, usually, Baba with the smile said, the voice in the one where I was not expecting that voice. Listen, hello, I talk with just like that, very cool. Can I have one phone? Very cool, very. I thought, remember when I was in school? When the video, when would you really try? This is that. Oh, Atalia. Okay. So we are the doctor. I only open the page in there. I really want to see that boy.
Please, everybody power tap. Let's go. Everybody, don't stop power tapping, please.
So, yeah.
Continue to power tap, guys.
After almost.
For those of you power tapping,
first,
God will bless you.
On the first of
For
April.
those of you power tapping for me, now God will bless you. God will continue to power tap in your life.
With video call.
God will continue to power tap in your life.
Call it, the boy now I call it video call. My boyfriend is very so I call him a video call. My boyfriend is more of WhatsApp. I call him a video call. You know what fear? My only good it is. And I feel later that we call it back. Now that I had to go my bed, and I okay, no problem. For what me hurry, I'm not afraid of the galley or you. Then you put him go, you go away. I don't know where it's most start. Now we go with small start. In Miami, we not to loom with Yabo, to loom with Yabo, boy, be not a little loom when you loom when you may pick maybe how you are begun me prepare me for a make or what life is a year room. I but I don't travel when I can imagine. So, yeah, so the very, let me not cut it short because if not, all long. So when I went to train station in the car type, 1 minute, on our guys, they let another hammer because my idea, or more than my 0 word of my anything about me. So I can't see where they were fall in love here. Well, I like them, not pick anyway. So, before the groove now start with the dance, put a soaking on you, and to do a man, and to be man, and to be man, then manado. So I don't know. If I don't know the canabo, this is the number, but when I wear
money, or my way, there you are. Larry, Olema, Larry, not in Mamupia. Or my way, there you go now, what I do, Umatafu, what is money? Omare boka wenwe, omare boka we onisa, nothing. Omaho we wederio. Tami mase, to ho we wederio ita we wederio, but no wa lose God na muhine. Omate keke no mune wederio. Ote keke no si like 2-3 days ide. Ota, enu fiodo for an usalu aye kevi. Etu confess. Ota si. Sis venu confess na venu ya mukbia. Umaiti confess venu ya reje lafi we wa confess venu ya mukbia. Why confess? Why confess? They confess boy. One of the listing.
Let me not cut it short because if not, all can long. So when I went to train station in the car type, so I can't see where you fall in love here. Well, I like them, not pick anyway. So let me have my before the groove now start with the dance, put a soaking on you, and do a ma, and do be ma, and do riema, then manado.
Ye ke ver ro no te no wa. Ye ke ver ro viva. Ye ke vite mi no wa. Utale ya sin ogi se after wa igbe man we do aro gbo ye ke vi. Uro nu. Ye ke vi. I want to hear after wa igbe man what is sunu ye ke vi. Tell you mama. Una list we.
Long. So when I went to train station medical type on 1 minute, that is they let another hammer because my idea, or done my zero word or my anything about me. So I can't see where you were falling before the groove now start with the dance, put a soaking on you.
Omozo wa buwe adiowa. We can't know whether to when you are talking to people that who mama be intelligent in Agbon. You think say people not be intelligent. Almost will your committee for us. Without you know whether you get husband. Almost will never interview you for fun at all. Or what the ticket. Hey, silent boy. Social media. Almost will buy ticket that they never interview you for fun. Almost will the man. We never set him up. Okay, wait a minute. Almost will was without you don't know whether you get married, you not get married. Your committee for us. You go pick her. Social media, not be everything how they believe for social media. Oh, not be everything how they believe. Oh, that is why they use like the saga people. It was they never swear because they know say they use like the saga people. If I bring your matter come, you know say your dad, your day, your old, you don't to do. I know they carry people come out. If I carry you come out, you will know say your way not clear. You will know.
What of my anything about me. So I can't see where you want fall in love here. Well, I like them not pick anyway. So let me have my before the groove now start with the dance, put a soaking on you, and do a ma, and do be ma, and do riema, then manado. So manado aro video. Before that, I know if they can't go, this is not bad. We know where any arrow, this time they can't say. I don't want to go back. So Rima ya ona do vie ne degbe na be ne degbo na be palo na be room. So ma ide kana
JKV, Amazon na be palo we na be room. Amazon me won wan yon e. Amazon na be palo we na be room JKV. JKV, this is your story. I beg. May I ask people whether this story clear. I beg. Una way they watch me, I know say many people they watch me. I know that there are so many people will get brain here. You understand me, so? Not be everybody feel understand what this woman they talk. But for those of them who understand, this story, if it clear, your right say it clear. I beg, if this story with this woman they talk, so if it clear, say it not clear. Not I know, you say it not clear. If it clear, your right say it clear. Now true they talk. I want to know whether people they follow this story. I want to know whether it's not clear. JKV, don't get man. I'm a student in here. JKV. JKV, if me analyze the video when I see now, come and listen to my students. Or we clear here Tory, or you want to time or clear. Or no we clear when matter we water sing. They will write it that it's true. Look at what they are writing, say not clear. Say you dey forge this story just to impress the whole crowd, to impress people. It's not clear that they write. Somebody say now small picking shit they talk to. When are they listening? We will not talk to, but when are they listening?
Then manado. So manado aro video. Before that, I know if they can't go, this is not bad. We know where any arrow, this time they can't say. I don't want to go back. So, prima ya ona do vie ne degbe. Na be ne degbo na be palo, na be room. So, ma be kana na be room ya, na be room na be palo. So, you get guy, this is that. So, from there, after 1 week, I been 2 weeks. I never knew where Omoko, a woman, and I never knew. Only one.
Now see this area we want to talk soon, eh? My bring the woman come out again. Now this woman want to talk about so. This Abiyewa. I want me on the list where. Now this are start the okay now. This area I want play for now. I'm gonna put here where. You know, this girl now they talk say, almost will see deny this one. Say, he never tell her say the friend this one. The way almost will deny Mama Kevi to this woman. Now almost will now they deny this woman to Mama Kevi. My people, una way they watch me, Shentro, how Shentro to they behave? Say Shentro they deny woman. If Shentro one hit collect money for woman hand, he will deny the other one. He can deny the wife. He can deny his family. Shentro fit deny mama. Shentro, if you don't see the way Shentro they exist for abroad, Shentro they deny where. They can deny anything. Okay, see what this woman talk now say. Omozuo never tell her about this woman. Meanwhile, this woman, when they see for screen, so don't they tell Omozuo when he hear about Mama Kevi? Who be Mama Kevi? Mama Omozuo say na in France. He deny her. When I see what this woman talk about this woman, I put and go back on the list away.
So, you get guy, this is that. So, from there, after 1 week, I been 2 weeks. I never knew where Omoko, a woman, I never knew. Only one man got suspect, Becky, my love. A no verse, yeah. Even though I mention your name, yeah. So, on it's Becky Obama, I suspect you got a lady again, but he never told me when I'm Becky.
Already deny Becky.
So,
now see what happen here. This woman say only person where he the suspect for long that time now be Becky. All of them know he no get daughter. He said that only that one he called the suspect say he the friend. He said but this say boy deny Becky. They are not hearing me. Ah, God. Hello, they are not hearing me. I'm not just saying that they hear me. Hello, they are not hearing me. If you are hearing me, say yes in comment section. W for the yes. They are not hearing me. You hear this woman say, he say he still deny Becky. She never agree say the friend Becky. I will deny Becky. If you know say you dey hear me, say yes. Because my spirit they tell me say, they are not hearing me. My people, now they see what they play for abroad. They say almost where they claim sent for social media, where they call they tell now say the saga people, but the Shentro when they do for their body, Shentro, that is why they lick make us well, because he know say women they like me when they lick make us well. So that is why anytime this boy take catch any woman, he go lick in yansh join her. Many women don't come out here talk say they lick their period. Woman don't come out say almost will lick in yansh. If not lie, make almost will come swear. The same Becky where this woman they talking name now say he go toilet when he go visit her. I say reach toilet in the shit for toilet. Tissue not decide toilet. He come say me go collect tissue for his ass. Now so it weird this thing. Be like tissue not decide toilet. Me go collect tissue for his ass. And almost one that was the drink better gin for his ass. Based on some music they play now. Now Mozo tell us here. Onisuwe na. Eri your boy onisana. I bet you they use side the trans. He go collect tissue. And some Mozo push Becky into inside bed. Now he die Becky. Start to lick your body. in Tanya, you don't high. You don't know what they put mat. Come the lick Becky yash. And Becky, you only come out for toilet. Becky never clean yash. This boy lick yash finish. Shit come full in mat. May I bring the boy come out? When I see, we got it. Because if I dey talk about no, that one not sure. Well. See this one. And the boy be this one. When they see the boy well, for those who don't know, now he be there. I know sort of know. This boy now, Becky can't tell her say, you're the new come for toilet. When I short time, when I look the boy face, now he be this. I know why I see face. I come out the face here. Man, I beg face again.